So guys, welcome to my PowerPoint presentation tungkol sa object-oriented programming at pag-uusapan natin ngayon dalawang language na napili ko. So what is HTML? Hypertext Markup Language is a standard markup language for document designed to be displayed in a web browser. These websites can be viewed by anyone else connected to the internet. So guys, who is invented of HTML? Tim Berners-Lee is the one who written first version of a HTML in 1993. Tim Berners-Lee, a scientist and academic, was the primary author of HTML. So guys, Berners-Lee browser editor was developed in 1991 to 1992. This was a true browser editor for the first version of HTML and ran on a Next workstation. Purpose of HTML: it is a scripting language which helps to create a web page. A web page is a document which is suitable for a web browser or World Wide Web or www. So nakikita natin to guys to doon sa may URL. So once nag-reply ng YouTube, Facebook, Google, makikita natin siya doon. So guys, ito yung sample codes na ginawa ko. Ito guys, ginawa ko siya is yung sports. So yung bawa ko ng table ng sports na iba't ibang bahagi ng sports. Ito guys is table niya. Ito yung codes niya. Tapos ito yung output o yung kinalabasan na mismong codes. So sinabi ko nga ganina, may mga table siya, may mga border na siya. Ayan guys. So what is JavaScript? It's a lightweight, interpreted, or just-in-time compiled programming language with the first-class function, while it is the most well-known as the scripting language of web pages. This section is dedicated to the JavaScript language itself and not the parts of the specific to web pages. So, JavaScript is the world's most popular programming language. JavaScript is one of the three languages all web developers must learn. Number 1, using HTML to define the content of web pages. CSS to specify the layout of web pages. JavaScript to program the behavior of web pages. JavaScript only functions on a limited number of browsers. Microsoft Internet Explorer, the largest browser base. Who is invented JavaScript? Brendan Eich is an American technologist and creator of the JavaScript programming languages. He co-founded the Mozilla Project, the Mozilla Foundation, and the Mozilla Corporation. Brendan Eich created JavaScript in 1995. He created it for Netscape Navigator, and it quickly became known as LiveScript. Purpose of JavaScript: used primarily by web browser to create a dynamic and interactive experience to the user. Most of the functions and applications that make the modern life are codes in some of a JavaScript codes. So guys, ito sa code ito guys, gumawa ako ng may button siya. Ito yung mga categories na movies with na may button siya. So yung makikita niyo sa codes. Pwede ginawa siya ng button. Tapos ito na yung kinalabasan ng output. Yan. Movies categories. Actions, drama, fantasy.